In this video, I'll show you how to build a thriving community on Podia to connect with your audience and grow your business. So first, make sure you are on thepodia.com and log in using your account credentials. And after that, navigate to your dashboard. So on your Podia dashboard, find and click the Community tab in the left-hand menu. If you don't see this option, ensure that your plan includes community features. So, click Create Community to start building your space and then add a community name that resonates with your brand or audience. You can write a short description to define the purpose of the community, such as connecting members, sharing exclusive content, hosting discussions. And after that, you can customize community settings. You can see there the visibility, membership, tiers, and then permissions. So for the visibility, you can decide whether community will be free or paid. So if free, it is open to all members or visitors. And then if it's paid, it can be only accessible to subscribers or buyers. So for the membership tiers, if you offer paid access, you can set up different pricing plans with tier specific perks. And then for the permissions, you can choose who can post, comment, or view content within the community. And after that, you can also add topics and categories. You can create topics or categories to keep discussions organized, like for example, general discussions, Q&A, and exclusive resources. And after that, this helps members easily navigate and find relevant content. And then you can send invitation also to your existing audience via email or share the community link on your website and social platforms. And then to encourage engagement by explaining the benefits of joining your Podia community. And after that, you can start discussions or share content to spark activity. For examples, you can include asking questions, hosting live sessions or AMAs, or Ask Me Anything. And then you can also share the sharing downloadable resources. You can respond to comments and interact with members to foster engagement and build trust. And that's it. That's how to build a Podia community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.